From like a bunch of y'all.
I paid 11.
And I picked up a rock because it was only like maybe
11.99.
Huh?
I was
Oh wow.
Mine came with the big
AJ kept throwing rocks at
Hold
me.
that.
Pissed me off.
Not recording?
Yeah, it is.
I really wanted to get right there and hide behind those.
Hold
I
this.
thought they were probably
Wow.
like that.
I'm pretty sure I thought I floated it up.
$11.
Have you shot anybody with that thing? I'm not volunteering, but I'm just saying.
No, I didn't. That was pretty close. It's pretty darn accurate.
I thought I shot Graham.
Give me some of your drink, ass.
Graham's willing to be shot with it. Graham's volunteering. Why do you volunteer to be shot?
Just aim it at it. Aim at it.
And you don't have anything in it.
You're brave,
Hold on,
dude.
Graham. He's loading it.
He's loading it. You could just throw the grenade at him.
It sounds like you're getting like a shot or something.
Is Ian still out there?
What is taking so long?
Hold on.
No,
Hold on, I can't get it working. Just relax.
Oh!
I volunteered for one! Was that even that gun?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Mad, bro?
You started like spit. You like
That's going on YouTube.
Oh wow.
my back's red.
Oh crap.
My back's
That's it.
red.
Don't shoot the camera, man.
Oh my god!
Holy That was my first shot.
Another one.
Holy crap.
That's the
Somebody
one that
touch
hurts
it, make
the
him
worst.
scream.
Ow.
I would just make him scream.
Dude, that
I want to see what that looks like.
It's right there.
I can't see there.
You're skinnier than you look.
Dang, you don't have to hold the camera that close.
Calm yourself.
Okay, 10 seconds was enough.
I still don't see how
I
you
didn't
carry
give
this
him
thing
It's so heavy. Yeah.
I had to carry it around like that without the sling the entire time.
Can I stop recording?
It's not bad.
Hey, go to one of them. Hey, go to my kill cam. I want to see me kill the kid with the pistol. Hold on, you're messing this up.